Hey everybody, Tina here at DeBoer's Auto. Just wanted to take a moment to talk about the biggest inconvenience that we can experience in the summertime, and that's summertime breakdowns. The reality of the situation is with summer comes heat, with heat comes worn components. The fact is that science always wins when it comes to heat applied to rubber or metal parts. It causes things to work in ways that normally don't work that way. And when they overheat, they break. So what can we do? The number one thing you can do for your vehicle in the summer is make sure that your coolant level is where it needs to be on your coolant reservoir bottle, making sure that coolant level is between the low and the high. And if it goes below the low, you need to get it in to just double check to make sure there's no leak that's occurring, or at the very least to top off that fluid so you do not have an emergency that includes overheating. In addition to that, make sure that you really are dialed in on your tire pressure in the summer. The extreme heat causes asphalt to heat up, which in turn transfers into your tires and expands the air inside the tires. If your tire is overinflated, you are risking a tire blowout. And nothing's worse than seeing somebody on the side of the road with a tire blowout, and you can't help them unless it's through a tow, because more and more these days, these vehicles aren't necessarily coming with full-size spares or even donuts anymore. So it's really important to be dialed in on your tire pressure. Number three, make sure your battery is okay. Winter can be very harsh on your battery, but so can summer, because the additional heat will cause the water inside of a battery to heat up and evaporate, which will decrease its efficiency and cause bad cells to happen. So your battery can be drained a lot faster than you would want that to happen. So make sure that you're checking your battery regularly throughout the summertime to make sure it's still in good condition. You're going to want to make sure your wipers are in good condition too. Nothing's worse than those summer rainstorms that can cause visibility issues and increase your risk of having an accident because you can't see well. Wiper rubber gets dried out very quickly in the summer as it's pressed up against that hot glass throughout the entire summertime. Speaking of summer storms, we get a lot of them around here. It can cause power to go out. When you're in your car, make sure your emergency kit is stocked up. Make sure you have extra water. Make sure you have a flashlight. Make sure that you have an extra snack in case you're stranded. Make sure you have a portable inflator for your tires in case it's not a blowout, in case you can actually inflate your tires up. Do those types of things. However, the third thing you should always have if we lose power is make sure you have a backup battery for your communication devices, whatever cell phone you have, or if you do like to even go old school and use a radio, make sure you have some way to charge these things or have them charged. There's convenient battery packs you can get that will connect to your devices, and make sure that you put that into your emergency kit. For tips on how to avoid summer breakdowns and be prepared in case they happen, come follow us online here at DeBoer's Auto. We'd love to give you all the tips to help you run safely and uninterrupted.